He was arrested last year after being accused of having links with Naxals, and now the Bombay High Court has cancelled the bail that was granted to wheelchair-bound Delhi University professor J.N. Sai Baba. His wife says he's the victim of a witch hunt, and as Sai Baba heads back to Nagpur jail, his family is getting ready for a long legal battle ahead.
हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जा रहे हैं क्योंकि इतना इनह्यूमिलेशन वायलेटेड जजमेंट है.
2 days after J.N. Sai Baba's bail was cancelled by the Bombay High Court, the suspended Delhi University professor's wife prepares to fight a long-drawn battle. Sai Baba, who was arrested in May last year for alleged links with Maoists, has already spent 14 months in the infamous Anda cell in Nagpur prison. Now, the professor's deteriorating health has his family further worried.
जेल जाने तक इनके 2 पैर डिसेबल्ड है. अब जेल जाने के बाद इनका एक लेफ्ट आर्म भी डिसेबल्ड हो गए. बेल दिया गया इसीलिए इनका इलाज करवाया था. वहाँ कहीं भी इलाज नहीं है.
Former Supreme Court Judge Justice Markandeya Kadju says one fails to understand how a person who is 90% disabled, is permanently confined to a wheelchair, could be incriminated and charged as being an imminent threat to state security and denied bail. Author Arundhati Roy, who had been critical of the professor's arrest, has been issued a criminal contempt notice by the Bombay High Court. The court said her remarks were prima facie with malified motive to interfere in the administration of justice.
I have gone through the statement made by the writer Arundhati Roy. In my opinion, certainly this statement prima facie are contempt, making the contempt of the order of the court. There is a very thin line of distinction between freedom of expression and making a contemptuous statement against the court. No doubt, every citizen has right to criticize the order of the court, but such criticism should not lower down the image of the court.
Professor Sai Baba's family says they will be holding a protest on the 2nd of January to make their point, even as they wait for another week to approach the Supreme Court to get a stay on the High Court's order. With Snigdha Basu in Delhi, in Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.